Solve for y and simplify given y plus 3 is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x plus 5. Well, to solve for y on this one is pretty easy. To get the y term by itself, I'm just going to subtract 3 from both sides. When I do that, I'm left with y equals negative 2 times the quantity x plus 5 minus 3. But I also have to simplify. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute the negative 2 to the quantity x plus 5. So I have y is equal to negative 2x, and then negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10, so minus 10, and then minus 3. Negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13, so we have y is equal to negative 2x minus 13 as my simplified answer. Now I want to solve for y and simplify given y minus 3 equals 2/3 times the quantity x minus 6. First, to solve for y, I can go ahead and add 3 to both sides, and that would leave me with y is equal to 2/3 times the quantity x minus 6 plus 3. But now we have to distribute the 2/3 times the quantity x minus 6. So we get y equals 2/3 times x minus 2/3 times 6, which I'll rewrite as 6 divided by 1 plus 3. So now I have y equals 2/3 times x minus, well, 2/3 times 6 over 1, we can choose to multiply these fractions by multiplying across the numerator. 2 times 6 is 12. Multiplying across the denominator, 3 times 1 is 3. And then plus 3. And now 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have y is equal to 2/3 times x minus 4 plus 3. And last but not least, negative 4 plus 3 are like terms. So we have y equals 2/3 times x minus 1 if we add negative 4 plus 3.